Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change the color of a Google search engine back to normal in Android phone. So guys, as you can see here, I have a color purple engine search. So in order for you to change that, just simply go to your Google application now. Here on your Google application, just simply go to the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen and now go to the settings down below. And if we scroll down a little bit, we should be able to see here customize search widget. So select that. Now guys, over here, just simply go for system on the left side over here, and you should be able to get it back into normal, and just simply go back and go to the home page. And when we check the search widget, as you can see, it will be back to normal. There goes, see ya.